Hello friends, today we are going to watch the video on NELCO Limited. And before starting the video, let me tell you that if you visited our YouTube channel for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you could receive each and every notification from our side. Come to market capitalization, it is of 2013 crore rupees, which means basically it is a small cap company. Okay, its current price it is trading at rupees of 882. High and low, it is made a low of rupees 515, high of rupees 1090. The stock P/Y multiples it is trading at 115. Book value it is of 41 rupees. Dividend yield is of 0.20%. Return on capital employed is 17.9%. Return on equity is 19%. Face value share is rupees 10. So if you look into the key ratios, so stock P/Y is very costly. Book value, current price is trading 20 times of the book value, which means it's very costly. Dividend yield doesn't give any kind of dividend, it's just 0.20%. Return on equity, capital employed is good one, 17.9%. Return on equity is also good one, 19%. Now we will see how the company has delivered its return to its investors who have invested the money. So we'll check out the returns in months and in years for the investment purpose. So if you click on 1 day, it is given the return of 1.83%. If you click on 5 day, it is given the return of 2.19%. If you click on 1 month, it is given return of minus 3.16% negative return. In 6 months, it is given 18.87% positive return. Year till date, it is given 22.72% positive return. 1 year, it is given 7.26% positive return. 5 years, it is given return of 703.82%. Could you imagine how big it is return? In 5 years your money has become 7 times. How much? Your money has become 7 times in just a span of 5 years. So excellent return, you could say. Okay, it's an excellent return by the return. Now okay, now we'll see the maximum. In case of maximum, how much return the company generated. So if you click on the maximum, it is showing uh, this company was listed on 1st January 1999. On 1st January 1999, its price was 10 rupees and 10 paise. So it added into it 872 rupees and 90 paise into it, which is 8642.57%, which becomes 883 rupees. Got a point? So in a span of 23 years, you could say you got a return of amazing return of 87 times. How much times? 87 times your wealth has multiplied. Are you okay? Your wealth is multiplied by 87 times. Got the point? So we could say one of the best performance by the company. So this is one of the best performance by the company. Very excellent return. Now we'll see how the company is performed in the financial terms in quarter on quarter basis and year on year basis. So we are doing comparison on quarter basis. Okay, so in quarter on quarter basis. Okay, so here we'll compare the last 4 quarters of the company. December 2021, we are comparing with date of March 2022, then we will compare it with June 2022, then we are doing the comparison with September 2022. Now in case of sales, so it is 72.06 crore rupees. From there decreased to 17.69 crore rupees, further increased to 81.68 crore rupees, but here decreased to 75.44 crore rupees. So sales is decreasing. So I marked the sales in a decreasing manner because for the 2 quarters it is in decreasing manner only. Coming to operating profit, it is a 14.28 crore rupees. From there decreased to 12.69 crore rupees. Further now it increased to 15.04 crore rupees and decreased to 14.35 crore rupees. So you could say operating profit is in a decreasing manner because in the 2 quarters it has decreased. Coming to profit before tax, so it is 7.25. From there decreased to 5.23, further increased to 6.67, then it decreased to 6.29. So we could say crore. Okay, so we could say and the profit before tax is decreasing because for 2 years it has decreased. Coming to net profit, so it is 5.26. From there decreased to 3.03, then increased to 4.72, then it decreased to 4.47. so you're finding it net profit is also decreasing on an every basically decreasing for 2 years. That's why you mark it in a negative manner. Come to EPS, it is of 2.31. From there it decreased to 1.33, then increased to 2.07, and then decreased to 1.96. So EPS is also decreasing on an every, not every, out of 4 years, 2 years it is decreased only in EPS. So we'll mark it in a negative manner. So sales is decreasing, operating profit is decreasing, profit for tax is decreasing, net profit is decreasing, and EPS is also decreasing on an every quarter basis, which means very poor performance by the company. Very poor performance. Okay, by the company. Now we'll see its year on year basis, how the company has generated a return on year basis. Now here we will see the year on year basis, the performance of the company. It is the Y on Y basis, we will see the performance of the company, right? So here for years we are doing the comparison. That is March 2020, then we compare with that March 2021, then we compare with March 2022, then we're comparing with till today month, we're doing the comparison. Okay. Now come to sales picture. In sales, it is of 220 crore rupees. From there, sales increased to 126 crore rupees. Further, sales increased to uh, 260 crore rupees. Then sales here increased to 301 crore rupees. So sales is continuously increasing on an every year basis. So we'll mark it in a positive manner. Come to operating profit. It is a 50 crore rupees. From there, it decreased to 45 crore rupees. Further increased to 51 crore rupees. Then further increased to 56 crore rupees. So only in 1 year its operating profit is decreased. Apart from that, in 3 years it is increasing only. So we'll mark it in a positive manner. Coming to profit before tax, it is of 20 crore rupees. From there it decreased to 16 crore rupees. From there it increased to 23 crore rupees, and further increased to 25 crore rupees. So you could say that profit before tax is also on an increasing manner in an every year, actually living 1 year. So the market in a positive manner. Coming to net profit, it is a 14 crore rupees. From that, it increased to 12 crore rupees, decreased to 12 crore rupees, then increased to 16 crore rupees, and then further increased to 17 crore rupees. So you could say net profit is also increasing on an every year basis, living 1 year. Coming to EPS in rupees, it is of 6.30. From there, it decreased to 5.42, further increased to 7.05, then further increased to 7.67. So you could say that EPS is also increasing on an every year basis, living 1 year. So what we find that sales is increasing on every year, operating profit is increasing on every year, profit before tax is increasing on every year, net profit is increasing on every year, EPS is also increasing on every year. So that's a very good return by the company. We could say it's a good performance by the company, right? So if you hold the stock for 5 years, definitely this stock could give you 2 times of the return. Okay, so you must hold the stock for 5 years, then only you could expect 2 times of the return. Now I hope everything is clear. If you visited our YouTube channel for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you could receive each and every notification from our side. Thank you very much.